Hey everyone, this is Tahira from Dubai and thank you so much for watching my video, coming to my channel. So now I'm outside. So hold on, pause for a while. There is an announcement in this video and any part of the video there is a contest. So there is a prize. So everything to know, please watch from the beginning till the end of the video. You will find out the important thing of the video. Alright. I'm going to buy some medicines in the pharmacy. I'll show you how is the pharmacy here. So I came to Life Pharmacy. Keep being with me. Let's go. So they're selling different skin products also in the pharmacy. There are ensures. This ensure is 850 a gram, costing actually 46.73. I always have this. Actually, this is very good for health. It's multivitamin powder. These are supplements. So there is a good item. Here, skin needs. Too many options for teeth. Teeth health. So taking some medicines and going out. My car shining. So this is a cafe, nice burger, and I'm going to have hot tea for me. कैसा है भैया?
ठीक है।
आप वीडियो में?
हमारा नाम रियाज।
रियाज, आपका नाम तो मुझे याद है, बट मैं वीडियो में डालने के लिए आपको पूछा। इंडिया से है ना?
इंडिया से।
केरला।
केरला, कालीकट।
कालीकट। तो उधर पूरा ग्रीनरीज है ना?
हाँ, ग्रीनरी।
बहुत अच्छा है। आपका फैमिली में कौन कौन है?
हमारा बीबी है, बाबा है, मामा है।
बच्चा?
बच्चा है
एक ही है। लड़की लड़का? लड़की। कितना साल?
अभी 11 साल।
11 साल। अच्छा है।
हम
तो आप
कराने का टाइम का हुआ।
ओ, अब 11 साल हुआ तो बच्चा हो के फिर इधर आ गए, फिर नहीं गए?
अभी ये महीने में लास्ट में जा रहा है।
ये महीने के लास्ट में जा रहे हैं। हाँ, तो बहुत खुश है। शॉपिंग कर रहा है फैमिली के लिए?
कल परसों करेगा।
परसों करेगा। अच्छा, तो इधर कितना साल के बाद बच जाते हैं?
हम इधर 2 साल का बाद।
2 साल के बाद। कैसा लग रहा है दुबई में? अच्छा लग रहा है। क्या आप केरला में बोलिए, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। केरला लैंग्वेज में बोलिए ना। मालाबार
लैंग्वेज में बोलने के।
दुबई बहुत अच्छा।
दुबई നല്ല അടിച്ചു പൊളിയാണ്, നല്ല സുഖമുണ്ട്, നല്ല എൻജോയ് करने के लिए നല്ലൊരു ഇതാണ് एरिया
दुबई एरिया अच्छा है एंजॉय करने के लिए। अच्छा, तो आप क्या
काम करने के लिए भी अच्छा,
काम करने के लिए भी अच्छा है।
सबका इधर
सब सही है। बात गर्म है, एक ही चीज मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता।
नहीं है ना,
गर्म है, बहुत गर्म है ना। दोपहर को हम लोग बाहर काम करते हैं, जाते हैं, गाड़ी तो है, फिर भी जो जाते आते हैं ना पूरा गर्मी। आप लोग अंदर काम करते हो तो गर्मी काम है,
ठंडा आता है, वो एसी में काम करते हैं।
बट दुबई में सब चीज अच्छा है। एक वेदर है, एक सिर्फ अभी तो अक्टूबर स्टार्ट हो गया, कभी भी वेदर अच्छा हो जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ना, बाहर बैठ सकते हैं। तो केरला का क्या बेस्ट है, स्पेशल क्या है आपको, क्या स्पेशल लगता है?
केरला में बिरयानी है, बिरयानी, अलसा।
अच्छा,
हाँ, अलसा मालूम है?
अलसा क्या है?
अच्छा वो तो करी वाला नहीं है,
अच्छा।
चिकू वाला एक,
तो वो आपका फेवरेट है?
चिकन दाल की बना रहा है।
हाँ, तो आपका फेवरेट है।
फेवरेट है
तो सबको आप बोलता है ये खाओ।
हाँ खाओ।
अच्छा, तो आप बोलो सबको कि मेरा चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब करो।
ओके इंशाल्लाह।
बोलो।
सब आदमी
Subscribe।
को सब करने के लिए वो चैनल पे।
चलो, थैंक यू सो
Okay,
मच।
yeah.
ओके, बाय
Okay.
बाय बाय। People are very good actually. I always take tea and sandwiches from here, so they are very nice, very nice. And maximum this cafeteria have Kerala people, so they are very sweet, very nice. They are very good etiquette and everything. So my tea came. You can have a look. This is my hot karak tea. So I take a bigger size actually. See, it's a bigger size and I love it. It's actually karak tea, means masala tea also. They put some masala, it's very tasty. Actually, I'm going to show you what did I buy from the pharmacy extra. I took medicines, but apart from medicine also I'm going to show you what did I buy. This is actually paste, Meridol. So this is for gum health. It's very good for teeth, so you can use this. I have used it. It's a very good paste. So better not to buy from the grocery paste, buy from pharmacy because these are medicated. Okay, then I have taken another face wash because I keep getting pimples. So this paste actually, how much I'll tell you, 36.65 dirham. Okay, this Meridol. And another for skincare, which is a facial wash. I don't know if it can come clearly. This is a vitamin E face wash. So this also I recommend, don't buy from the supermarket or pharmacy, grocery. Buy from pharmacy. These are medicated. And this cost 16.80. Actually other brands what we buy for our face wash and all, those also outside 16 dirham, 18 dirham, 19 dirham, 30 dirham also face wash we get. But I use sometimes this one, vitamin E. Though because I am so much hot in Dubai, so I keep getting pimples and keep marks also coming. So prefer to buy something face wash like this. So I came to Mamzar for walking. You can see there is a walking track. It's a sea beach. So almost 2 kilometers I walked already. So I thought like, okay, I'm done for the day. Maybe 1 more kilometer I'm going to walk and then go home. So you can enjoy the view here. See, very nice. Super place. It's my one of the favorite place for my walking area. And I love walking actually. So I came back home and now the interesting part of the video is I'm going to announce the contest. Okay, I hope you watched the whole video, and in the video there is one part which I'm going to ask you and you need to answer that. So please listen to me carefully. The question is, in the video I have showed you one toothpaste. What is the name of the toothpaste? And also I have told you what is the price of the toothpaste. So if you can tell me what is the name of the toothpaste and price of the toothpaste, so you can be part of the contest. Alright, so what you need to do, please follow me. 4 things you need to do for winning the prize. What is the price? That also I'm going to tell you. 4 things. Number 1 is you need to be subscriber of our channel. So if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button which is below the video. You press the bell notification which for all. That is number 1. Number 2 is you must like the video. I hope you like my video, so please like the video for participating in the contest also. And number 3 is you need to tell me in the comment section below the video what is the toothpaste name and what is the price of the toothpaste. And number 4 is including in your comment you can write full name of same as your ID name and email address. Email address can be Gmail which you have subscribed to our channel. Price is you have seen me going to Life Pharmacy. This is the Life Pharmacy, okay, which is you can see. So the price is 100 dirham voucher. We are going to give it to you. Anywhere in UAE, in Life Pharmacy, you can go with that voucher. Have 100 dirham item for you, so for free. But yes, some selected items and brands only you can have avail, not for every items, not for medicines, but beauty products, face wash, toothpaste, lot of things you can buy, vitamins, supplement. 50 dirham 2 voucher we will give you. If you are out of country, what we will do, we will check with Life Pharmacy that which items we can ship. We can do a courier to your country, so we will contact you. You have to give us to of your home address and we will courier it to you. I will come up with lot of contests, lot of gifts and interacting with all of you, and I will come to the channel also live, so there will be lot of things, lot of activities are going to happen. So now you can watch the other video which is in the screen playing. So I love you so much. Please like, share it with your friends also so that they can also be part of the contest. Bye bye.